Now for all of the header, footer, we are going to create some new files. So inside partial, I am going to create a new file, header.php, footer.php, footer.php. Okay, let's from index.php take this header. From this header, take everything up above, cut it and paste it inside header.php. Save it, and from this footer take everything below here, save it and paste it inside footer. We are going to include this header and footer by using PHP functionalities. So let's do it. Let's start writing PHP code. By using PHP, we are going to include our header and footer as well. Okay, we can use include once, or we can also use require once. For this video, I am going to use require once. Require once mean we can't include this file multiple times inside index.php. It will include only once in our file. Okay, inside second quotation mark, we are going to include partials / header.php. Make sure this partial spelling is same as we have included here. Okay, let me copy this and paste it here so it won't give any stupid error. Okay, copy this PHP tag and paste it below for our footer. In the place of header, just write footer. Okay, now inside this users folder, I am going to create one more file, user interface. Don't name it only interface because this is a keyword from PHP, object oriented programming, so you should never name a class name with interface. I am going to start coding of PHP. Here I am going to create a class. This is where we started using our object oriented programming interface. This is a class. Inside this class we'll have a public function. Public function mean we can use this function outside of this file. Okay, outside of this class. Public function, name of our function is sign in. Okay, in sign in function we are going to return our sign in form. So just cut this sign in form from signin.php, cut it and paste it inside this first this single quotation mark, paste it here. Let me precise little bit. Okay, it will work, definitely it will work. Next we are going to create another function with name of sign up. Copy this and paste it below. Ctrl V for pasting. Sign in, sign up. From sign up form we are going to paste it here as well. Cut it and paste it inside this return. Okay, save it. Next, inside index.php we are going to write some condition inside our main tag. Okay, inside this container just start your PHP code. Here at first we are going to require our file, that was user interface, user / user interface .php. that is the file we are going to need. Next we'll have a action We didn't create any action it, but don't worry, very soon we are going to create it. Is set, that means whenever someone give an action, let's use our global variable, that is get. By using this get, we are going to take the variable of action from URL. Okay, action, we didn't make this variable it. As I said earlier, we are going to create very soon. Question mark, copy this and paste it here as well. Make it blank. Let me print whatever we pass inside our URL. Action. Okay, inside user interface we have a attribute of action. Okay, in action we are going to pass something, users / sign in .php. Whenever someone click on this form, this submit button, it will look for this file, sign in.php, that is this one we have made. Next, replace this action with sign up in the place of sign in. Sign up. Okay, next go to partials folder. Inside partial folder we have header.php. Let me make those link visible, so whenever someone click on here, it will redirect it to some page. At first, start the PHP code inside this href. Don't forget to give this double quotation mark. Okay, before writing any code here, let's create one more file inside config. Okay, variables.php. Here we are going to make some variable. At first, host is equal localhost and / name of our project, that is user auth. You can see user auth, give a http. Okay, we are going to use the same host inside all of our files, so whenever someone changes this domain name or anything, you can just change from here and all of the code inside our project will be changed. Okay, that is the advantages of using dynamically programming. Okay, PHP, start the PHP code. Inside it, include the config variable file. As I said before, we can use include or require any of them. This should be config / variables.php. Don't forget the semicolon. Now next we are going to use this variable host, echo host. After this host, we are going to give a /. In / we will have a action with a question mark. Action is equal sign in, SIGN, sign in. Okay, copy this sign in. Before that, I forgot to give a semicolon here. Don't forget it. Copy this and paste it 3 more times for sign out, dashboard and sign up. 1 2 3. Okay, this should be sign up. Control D, sign up. Control D for multiple selection. dashboard, and the last one is sign out. Okay, next inside our index.php, here we are going to write some condition. We are going to make a switch statement. Switch, there would be the variables. This should be action. First value of our switch statement would be sign up, SIGN, sign up. If someone sign up, then we are going to call the function. The function name was sign up. Okay, this is the function. Before including this function, we need to call the class, make an instance of our class. User interface is equal new user interface. This was the class name. Okay, now we can call our function. Just copy this and paste it here as well. Our function name was sign in. Don't forget about semicolon. Okay, copy this same case and paste it below one more time. This time it would be sign in, and make it sign up. The top one would be sign up and this one would be sign in. Okay, next the default case would be sign in. Copy this sign in and paste it here as well. One more thing I forgot, this should be a echo statement. Echo, we need to echo this. Echo, it's saying parse error, syntax error unexpected in variables.php. Okay, let's check in variables.php inside config folder. You can see I didn't give the semicolon. Once again check it. Reload once again. It's saying fatal error, uncatch error, call to undefined method. That means something went wrong with the spelling. Let's take a look. I think I made a spelling mistake, as I always do. Sign in, copy the same and paste it here as well. SIGN, sign up. You can see when I click on sign up, it is showing sign up. One more thing, on the action, you can see on our URL, you can see now action is sign up. When I click on sign in, it's going to be sign in. When it is default, there is no action. That means our default case, it is printing our sign in form. Okay, let me take this footer at the very bottom, br multiplied by 3, and press tab. After this container, this main container, let me make few more br, break line, br multiplied by 10. Okay, I think I should change the variable name of user interface. Control D. This should be camel case. This should be I with uppercase I. Control D for multiple selection. User interface, and the first letter should be start with lowercase.